Hi, we are Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeeze the Day.
In our last video, we were in Houston, Texas, where we were able to enjoy a lot of the amenities of Herman Park, go check out the city, and finalize our day with some delicious tacos.
Well, we're a little stuck in the sand. And after we show you why, you might want to come join us. We are at the Padre Island National Seashore, North Beach camping.
I would say we intentionally got stuck as a place to stop and rest and be able to enjoy the view. And what a view it is. So we're going to spend the next 24 hours sitting here watching the wildlife, listening to the waves, and enjoying the breeze as it comes off the Gulf Coast. While we were parked here, we had these birds that look like pelicans flying up the beach. Even though it was very windy, which is why our edits are all voiceovers, the weather was perfect. So we decided we need to go take a walk and see who else was camping on the beach with us. During this time of year, there's not usually a lot of people camped on the beach here. The ones that were here were super friendly and spaced far enough apart that they weren't encroaching on each other. We decided we wanted to park far enough away from the entrance that we could get some peace and quiet. So it was a good walk. But let's go check out that entrance area so we can see what it looks like, and we can tell you a little bit more about parking here overnight. At the entrance, you're going to see a couple of things. The first thing you're going to see is this little hut right here. Come inside and we'll take a real quick look. Here you'll find the rules and regulations clearly listed, as well as a form for you to fill out so that you can be authorized to camp here on the beach. And this is where you're going to deposit that form. Next, you're going to find this barrier separating the beach that we are currently on from a beach that's further south of us. There's plenty of parking for everybody, so make sure you do your research. Let's head back to the Avenger, where we can enjoy that view. And just so you know, this is a sea turtle nesting beach. Please use caution while driving on the beach, and it is recommended that you have a four-wheel drive. Leave a comment below telling us what you think of our camping site. Let's take a quick look at what the RV looks like on the beach, as well as our favorite view and the picturesque view inside the RV looking out the windows.
Sunset out our door.
Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you can keep following us on our next adventures. Join us next time as we find a different kind of beach camping on Goose Island.
I should be climbing up this tree.
Time to leave. Unfortunately, this has to come to an end because we have places to go. But it's been great. We loved it here. Definitely will be back.